Hi, my name is Klaus. You're inspecting today, inspecting this jazz from Japan. Uh, i- to me, it's a 3.5 free grade on this vehicle due to the bodywork. There is a poor repair in the middle section, whose mapping is excessive filler, but obviously it's not a great repair. So this door has been resprayed, roof has been resprayed. This pillar section around here has been resprayed. They had some smart repairs done. Regards to this side is fine, but it's excessive scratches on this section of both doors and scratches there. Average alloys, all the tires not legal for the EU. You had the rear shunt in a valance floor. The valance floor is cracked. You will see in the pictures. Scratches on a bumper, scratches on this section. So all the bodywork is very average. Interior is good, as you can see. Loads of scratches present. I'm not road testing this vehicle due to there's no oil in the gearbox. Nothing's on a dipstick. It is sort of hybrid assist. No, it's not a proper hybrid car. It's a mild one. Regards to the high voltage battery, that's 75% left on the battery, so that's fine. Fault's been cleared, but the guy said they had a speedometer conversion done, and more likely would make sense they would clear it. So they put a masking tape on top of the kilometer section, so it's sort of that's how they call it, conversion. You got still Japanese language in it. This is the cons of Japanese cars and some of them. Thing you can do. Aftermarket unit fitted. Fair interior, etc. So yeah, overall, my opinion, I don't recommend this vehicle as it is. In regards to that gearbox, there was a buzzing sound coming from the between engine and the gearbox. So I think they did some sort of repairs because the old drain plug looks like they've been using incorrect tool, and it's sheared slightly the Allen key type section off. So yeah, that's my sort of suspicion on this. Otherwise, give me a call, we'll go through it. Thanks for using this.